Mem AI has been getting a lot of buzz lately as a note-taking app, but does it really live up to the hype? If you're looking for a way to streamline your thoughts and ideas, you might want to hear this. So, what exactly is Mem AI? At its core, it's designed to help users capture and organize their thoughts through an intuitive interface. The app focuses on contextual note-taking, which means it aims to help you connect ideas and information seamlessly. When you jot something down, it tries to understand the context and suggest related notes, which can be a game changer for anyone who struggles with traditional linear note-taking methods. The user experience feels pretty fluid. You can easily create, edit, and link notes without too much friction. However, there's a bit of a learning curve at first, especially for those used to more straightforward apps. The intended audience seems to be students, professionals, and anyone else who juggles a lot of information. What stands out immediately is the way it encourages you to think in a more interconnected way. That said, some features feel a bit underdeveloped, and it could use more guidance for new users. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Mem AI's contextual suggestions are impressive and can save time when trying to find related information. It's also visually appealing, which makes the note-taking experience more enjoyable. However, there are some frustrations. For one, it lacks offline functionality, which can be a deal breaker for users who need access without an internet connection. Additionally, the pricing structure isn't crystal clear. It's worth checking if the features you need are included in the free version, or if you'll need to upgrade. As for who it might not suit, those who prefer a more traditional, straightforward note-taking approach might find it confusing. But if you're someone who thrives on interconnected thoughts and ideas, it could be a great fit. In conclusion, Mem AI is worth considering if you're looking for a unique approach to note-taking that emphasizes connections between ideas. However, if you need something simple and straightforward, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it shows promise, but it's not without its limitations.